welcome back to HBI Auto. We are starting this video off in a 2018 911 Carrera 4S. This is the 991.2 generation. It's one of my personal favorite generations of 911s that are out right now, and I'm going to take you guys around this one. It's a beautiful spec, low mile, and let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So starting off with the interior, this is a beautiful full black leather interior. Very well maintained from the previous owner. This car only has 11,000 miles on it, so it's barely broken in for a 2018 car. You have a heated black leather steering wheel, which is really nice. You do have your drive modes right there. This is a 7-speed transmission. It is a PDK transmission car, so it's very sharp shifting, and it's just an enjoyable transmission to have inside of your car, just because it lasts for so long, and there's never really any issues. Like, this transmission is practically bulletproof, and I love it. Looking more at the interior, it's pretty much just a basic black leather interior. These are heated and cooled seats, so that's a really huge bonus with the Carrera 4S. You do have a sunroof up here, and then this is a really nice like Alcantara on the roof here. This is what the exterior is looking like of this 911 C4S. It's a beautiful, I believe this is agate gray. It's a really stunning color. It's one of my favorite types of gray because it has a slight metallic in it. You'll notice that you have 5-spoke wheels on here. You do have the red calipers. You have 245 35/20s in the front, and then on the back you have 305 30/20, so it's a little bit of a staggered tire setup there. Moving along to the back, one thing I've always loved about the C4S is that continuous taillight right there. I think it just looks so good, and I'm so glad it's in the 992 generation. You do have that dual quad-tipped exhaust back here, which is an active exhaust. When you turn on to Sport or Sport Plus mode, it really opens up, and you can kind of get a little like those little burbles in back tones. You can also really hear the turbo spool, so it's a really huge bonus of this platform. Another huge thing that I love about this car is that you do have the black sunroof right there, so if you decide to like tint that, so it just kind of looks like all seamless on the top, and I really do like that look. That's one of my favorite things about not only like Porsches but other brands in general that do that. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you are interested in this 911 C4S, the link is in the description below. You can check out all the photos and get in contact with the team about picking up the C4S. Beautiful platform, low miles at 11,000 miles. There's no reason to not pick up this car right now at hbiauto.com. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.